Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make the simplest granola, tasty and also delicious. All you need are some few ingredients and you're good to go. You can pair this with yogurt, which is my favorite, or you can even eat it as a snack. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Now let's get started. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use: some maple syrup for sweetness, vegetable oil or soya oil, which is what I had, and peanut butter, which I believe elevates the taste of your granola. So in the bowl, I'm going to combine my ingredients. I've taken a portion of my peanut butter, a little bit of my soya oil, and I'm going to add maple syrup for taste. Everything should be at your own discretion at how sweet you want your granola to be, or up to your discretion. So I'm just going to add a little bit because I have a sweet tooth sometimes. I'm going to combine this and then set my oats ready. So in another bowl, I have my roasted oats, and I'm going to gradually add my wet ingredients to this. So in a baking tray lined with foil, I'm going to spread out my oats, which is combined with the wet ingredients, into it and put it in the oven. I do not particularly have temperature for this, but this is the temperature I put it on, 150, and this is what I have on my oven. So all you have to do is keep checking on it, make sure it's not burnt, and it doesn't take more than 10 minutes to actually dry up. So I'm gonna turn it off, put in my chocolate. Now this bit is totally optional. I like to put in my chocolate whilst my granola is still hot. It creates this chunky chocolate granola, which I love. So I use dark chocolate, milk chocolate and white chocolate, which is totally optional, like I said. So I'm just gonna leave it in the oven, turned off, and let it cool off. And you're done, guys. The granola is ready to be enjoyed. This is what we have after the chocolate has perfectly melted in it. The camera is not doing justice, but you can see chunk of melty, chocolatey granola, which is beautiful. So after it had cooled off, I'm just going to transfer it into my container, add a little bit of chocolate buttons into it, because why not? And that's about it, guys. It's all done. Your granola is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've watched this far, I surely deserve a like and a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.